Imagine a tiny flying machine, small enough to fit in a backpack, yet capable of giving a complete view of what's happening on the ground. Today, we're exploring Skylark UAV, the small Israeli system with unexpectedly wide capability. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking a closer look at a compact aerial system that has become known for its quiet presence and its surprisingly strong performance in real-world environments. Skylark UAV is a lightweight platform designed for extended observation, simple handling, and steady data collection. What makes it interesting is that it does not rely on size or heavy parts to perform well. Instead, it uses efficient engineering, light construction, and smart sensors to cover large areas while remaining easy to set up and operate. Its design focuses on long flight time, steady control, and the ability to use minimal space for transportation. Those who work with this system value its portability because it can be carried by hand, assembled quickly, and launched without needing large equipment. The goal of Skylark is straightforward: provide clear visuals, consistent information, and reliable performance when a small and silent aerial view is required. In this section, we will set the foundation for understanding how it works, why it continues to be used, and what makes it distinct compared to larger aerial platforms available today. Let's begin by breaking down its basic structure and purpose. Skylark UAV is designed with an airframe that balances durability and lightness. Its structure uses composite materials that reduce weight while supporting smooth glide performance. The wings are shaped for stability, helping the system maintain steady motion even when the environment becomes slightly inconsistent. The launch method is simple because the aircraft can be hand-launched without any additional tools. This ease of setup makes Skylark suitable for places where equipment transport is limited. Once airborne, its propulsion system keeps it moving at a controlled pace, allowing the sensors on board to capture clear details. The internal components are arranged to reduce vibration, which is important for maintaining image quality. The overall design reflects a focus on efficiency rather than size. Skylark does not attempt to compete with heavy platforms. Instead, it offers a compact option for extended viewing needs. Its construction also supports quiet operation, reducing distractions and helping it blend into natural surroundings. This thoughtful engineering allows crews to depend on it in various situations where a calm, stable aerial perspective is needed. In the next section, we will explore how its sensor package works and how it collects high-quality imagery in different conditions. The sensor system inside Skylark UAV is one of the main reasons it is widely recognized. It uses lightweight cameras capable of capturing clear visuals in both daytime and low light settings. These cameras are paired with stabilized mounts that reduce shaking, ensuring that images remain usable even when the aircraft experiences small movements. The control system lets operators adjust viewing angles smoothly, allowing them to follow specific subjects or areas with precision. The digital processing inside the aircraft compresses and sends the video feed in real time, giving operators immediate access to updates from above. This real-time transmission is essential for teams that rely on continuous information without interruption. The combination of clarity, stability, and immediate delivery makes Skylark effective for observational tasks that require calm, steady monitoring over time. It does not rely on high power consumption, which helps preserve battery life and extend its overall operating duration. The design of these sensors reflects a goal of maximizing performance within a small physical footprint. In the next section, we will explore how Skylark maintains communication with its ground station and how operators manage flight paths, visual feeds, and system health during operation. Communication between Skylark UAV and its ground control unit is streamlined for simplicity and reliability. The system uses a secure digital link that sends both video feed and flight data in real time. Operators use a portable control console with a clear interface showing altitude, location, battery status, and camera view simultaneously. This interface is designed for ease of use, allowing users with minimal training to understand the important functions. Flight paths can be set manually or pre-planned using waypoints. When using waypoints, the aircraft follows a programmed route while maintaining steady altitude and speed. Operators can switch to manual mode at any moment if adjustments become necessary. The communication link is optimized for stable connection within its intended range, and built-in alerts notify the operator if signal quality begins to drop. These alerts help prevent unnecessary interruptions. The ground control system also manages safe landing guidance, making recovery consistent and predictable. Skylark's communication design focuses on providing a smooth experience where users can concentrate on visual information rather than complex technical steps. Next, we will take a look at its power system and understand how it achieves extended flight time compared to other compact aerial platforms. Skylark UAV relies on an efficient power system that supports extended flight without adding unnecessary bulk. Its battery pack is lightweight, and the internal electronics are arranged to minimize energy usage. This balance allows the aircraft to remain airborne for long sessions while maintaining the quality of its visual feed. Engineers focused on optimizing components so that each part draws only the energy it needs. This includes the flight computer, sensors, transmission module, and propulsion unit. The propulsion system uses an electric motor designed for quiet and consistent output, contributing to the aircraft's subtle presence in the air. The flight controller monitors battery status throughout the mission and alerts the operator if the charge begins approaching its lower limit. This helps teams plan return and landing procedures safely. The system's efficient energy distribution ensures that performance remains stable even near the end of a flight session. Because the aircraft charges quickly, teams can rotate battery packs and continue operations with minimal downtime. All of these features combined make Skylark practical for long observation periods where continuous information is valued. In the next section, we will explore the typical environments and situations where Skylark is used and what makes it suitable for diverse conditions. Skylark UAV is known for its ability to perform in various environments, including open fields, coastal regions, hilly landscapes, and urban edges. Its lightweight design allows it to launch even when open space is limited. The system's aerodynamic shape supports stable flight in moderate outdoor conditions, allowing operators to gather information smoothly. Teams value the aircraft's mobility because it can be carried by hand and prepared without dedicated infrastructure. This flexibility makes Skylark suitable for tasks where moving quickly from one location to another is important. Its quiet electric motor helps maintain a low presence, and this characteristic is often appreciated in settings where noise control matters. The camera's ability to switch between wide and narrow views gives users options for observing either large areas or specific points of interest. The aircraft's navigation system supports both manual and automated flight, which helps operators choose the control style that fits the situation. Skylark continues to be selected when clarity, portability, and simplicity are required. In the next section, we will look at how operators are trained, what skills are needed, and how the system remains accessible even for teams with varying experience levels. Training for Skylark UAV focuses on giving operators confidence rather than overwhelming them with complexity. The control system is designed to be intuitive with clearly labeled features that guide users through each stage of operation. New operators begin with simulator sessions that teach basic flight behavior, camera control, and standard procedures. These sessions help individuals understand how the aircraft responds to different inputs. Once comfortable, Trainees practice in open outdoor spaces where they learn hand launching, waypoint programming, manual steering, and safe landing techniques. Instructors emphasize understanding the aircraft's indicators, such as battery levels and signal strength, because these details ensure smooth missions. The goal of training is not only to teach operation, but also to develop comfort with decision making during flights. The systems for giving flight characteristics also help reduce stress for beginners. Even as operators gain experience, the interface remains helpful with reminders and automated support. The training program highlights preparation, calm observation, and responsible handling of equipment. In the next section, we will explore how Skylark's compact design and stable performance make it a useful addition to broader aerial systems when multiple platforms are used together. Skylark UAV integrates well into larger aerial systems because of its small size and specialized role. While larger platforms cover distant ranges or carry heavier equipment, Skylark fills the need for close range, quiet, and focused observation. Its portability allows teams to deploy it quickly while other systems handle broader tasks. Working alongside larger aerial vehicles, Skylark often provides detailed views of specific areas while the bigger platforms maintain wide coverage. This combination gives teams layered information that supports better understanding of surroundings. Skylark's real-time feed helps operators update the broader operational picture as larger systems continue their long-range flights. This cooperative use of equipment shows how important it is to have platforms of different sizes, each fulfilling a specific purpose. Skylark's role remains consistent: stay close, stay steady, and deliver clear visuals. Because it is easy to transport, teams can use it repeatedly without slowing down other activities. In the next section, we will look at some examples of practical tasks where Skylark proves most effective and why its characteristics continue to make it a preferred option for various observational requirements. Skylark UAV supports a variety of tasks that require clear views from the air. It is commonly used for observing terrain, inspecting boundaries, checking movement patterns, and monitoring areas that are difficult to reach on foot. Teams value its ability to stay in one region for long periods, providing steady updates without drawing attention. In open rural areas, the aircraft helps users see paths, fields, and natural features from above. In coastal regions, it captures visuals of shorelines, boats, and environmental elements. In more structured landscapes, it offers a high angle that reveals layout, roads, and activity zones. The ability to hover over a specific region for extended time gives users the advantage of continuous observation rather than brief snapshots. Skylark's stable camera and quiet presence make it suitable for tasks that require calm monitoring without interruption. These features also help reduce the need for frequent redeployment. In the next section, we will explore how Skylark's design influences maintenance, longevity, and its ability to remain functional with routine care. Maintenance for Skylark UAV is simple due to its modular components and lightweight materials. Most parts can be inspected visually, allowing operators to identify wear or damage without advanced tools. The wings detach easily, giving access to internal sections that may need cleaning or periodic checks. The electric motor requires minimal servicing because it does not use complex mechanical assemblies. Batteries are rotated and stored according to standard guidelines to preserve long-term performance. The sensor unit is protected within a stable housing that shields it from dust and minor impacts. Operators are trained to perform routine checks before and after each flight, ensuring that the aircraft remains in good condition. Because the system has a straightforward structure, replacement parts are easy to install. This keeps downtime low and helps maintain consistent readiness. Skylark's durability combined with simple upkeep allows it to remain active for extended periods, even with frequent use. The design reflects a goal of making long-term operation practical without large maintenance facilities. Now that we have explored its structure, sensors, communication system, power efficiency, training, and maintenance, we can see why Skylark continues to be valued as a compact and dependable aerial platform. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts about Skylark UAV in the comments. Your support helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next one!